Hey there, imagine this. A travel blog and store that updates itself, earns you passive income and requires zero effort on your part. Sound too good to be true? Meet AITravelBlog. The travel industry is booming, with billions of dollars being spent on hotels, flights, and travel gear every year. And you could earn a slice of that without writing blogs, managing a website, or handling customer service. With AITravelBlog, you can have a self-updating travel blog and store that attracts travelers and earns commissions from hotels, flights, and travel products, all on autopilot. Here's what AITravelBlog does for you. Launch in 60 seconds. No coding, no writing, no tech skills needed. Earn from multiple sources: hotels, flights, Amazon travel products, and ad revenue. Auto-updated blog and store, AI adds fresh travel content and products daily. No extra costs, free hosting, no monthly fees. 100% hands-free, AI runs everything for you. With AITravelBlog, you're in business today, without spending months setting up a website. Instead of spending months building a website, figuring out SEO and writing content, AITravelBlog does it all for you. Here's how it works. Enter your site name and keywords. AI instantly builds your travel blog and store. Watch it auto-update and earn commissions for you. Ready to tap into this $716 billion industry? Millions of people are searching for travel deals online every day. And now, you can profit from their searches without lifting a finger. This is your chance to own a stunning, self-updating travel website that generates commissions on autopilot. Imagine showcasing stunning destinations and incredible deals without lifting a finger. Join countless successful travel bloggers who are already reaping the rewards of this seamless platform. With AITravelBlog, you'll have a professional-looking site that drives traffic and generates income, all while you focus on your next adventure. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Sign up for AITravelBlog today and start creating your income-generating blog now. It's just minutes away. Don't wait, this exclusive deal won't last long. Hit the link below to grab AITravelBlog now.